Okay, what do we have today?
So here's the hypothetical scenario. How do you think your manager will take it if you say you need to push your schedule by 10 weeks just to get a cable assembly? Not good? Didn't think so. Thankfully, Molex offers overmolded off-the-shelf cable assemblies for their Fit family connectors. This lets you get high-quality cable assemblies while cutting out the time for designing, tooling, and building your own. Molex cable assemblies are available from the tiny 2.5mm pitch Nano-Fit connectors to the Mega-Fit connectors, carrying up to 23 amps per terminal, with a range of circuit sizes and cable orientations to meet the needs of a wide range of applications. The connectors have fully isolated terminals to protect against damage during handling and mating, and the overmolding reduces mechanical stress on the wires and terminals, while the housings offer positive latches to ensure connectors remain mated.